What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin back in my bathroom one more again, and today I'm bringing you guys a dreadlock mohawk style tutorial. So before we even proceed, okay, right up there, click on that button. Okay, watch last week's video before we even progress. Okay. All right, cool. Something a little bit twisted, a little bit crazy, but definitely cool and definitely unique. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So for this style, you're not gonna need any type of accessories or rubber bands, giant headbands, nothing like that. You just need your hair, okay? Hair, moisturized style if you want to. You can even line up the rest of your hair like I did and just keep it moving, okay?
You need to moisturize your locks, alright? So I'm using some jojoba grapeseed oil, some almond oil, and then I'm also using some Jamaican black castor oil with the rosemary extract added in as well. For this next part, for the main attraction of this whole tutorial, what I'm basically doing is I'm just using locks from both sides of my head to make knots. And so I'm just going to grab two sections of hair on either side by my forehead, and you're just going to tie a knot like you're tying a shoe. Like you tie a bow, take the locks, and tie, okay? You're going to pull one section of the locks forward, and you're not going to make a knot on the other side. You're just going to pull the locks backwards. And so you'll get a little bit of a loop in the front. You can do with it what you want to. You can push it in if you need to. Just kind of make it whatever you want it to be, okay? After you've done that once, you just repeat that all the way down your head. So you'll see here I'm gathering another section of locks on either side, about the same amount of locks each twist I do. And then I'm just going to pull the locks overhead, grab the other side and make a small knot. And then the locks I'm grabbing from the back and pulling forward, I will leave in a little loop in the front, and the other locks I will keep leaving just straight back on the top of my head. So again, you just do the step just down the top and back of your head, and once you're at the bottom, you're done. Here is part 2. So for this next part, what you can do if you have a mohawk like I do is what I am doing is just lining my hair first. I just use a basic Andes trimmer to line. I really want to get a better one just to have a sharper cut, but for now it's been working for me fine, and I don't really have the money right now to buy a new one. So unless y'all want, mail me a new one, feel free, but until then, this is what we got. So yeah, line your hair, line the front, the back, the sides, the beard if you have one, your mustache if you want to keep that, or go to however you want your facial hair to be. Just line up your hair first. And so after I've lined my hair, I'm just going to use my clippers with a 16-inch guard, and my blade is actually closed. I wanted to keep it very short this time because I don't like my hair on the sides of my mohawk getting that long. Of course, if you want to do something else or do longer, maybe an 1/8-inch guard with the clippers open instead of closed, whatever you want to do is up to you, obviously. And then if you want to check out other videos that I've done where I've done dreadlock style tutorials with, shaving the hair on the sides, check those out. I actually did one with a cool like burst fade. That was pretty nice. course, once you're done cutting your hair, don't forget to disinfect. Right here, I'm just using some tea tree oil.
That's the style, y'all. I think it's just so weird. But I like weird. I think I was trying to figure out what to do this week, and for some reason I was like, why not we just keep it weird? Why not we do something a little bit silly by me? But I like the edginess that it brings, you know? Like, you know what I'm talking about? But anyway, if you try this out, let me know down in the comment section below, okay? And if you have any other questions, let me know down there too. All right. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. As always, forget it. No, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again on this Locs video. Let's see, social media, hit me up, okay? I'm on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. I'm on Pinterest now. So I have a dreadlock inspirational board on my Pinterest if you want to check it out. The links are all in the description box, and see what other types of cool things you can do with your hair. I've been doing with my hair, and any type of inspiration you want to throw in or chime and suggest, whatever. Do that, okay? But without further ado, that's the end of this video, okay? Well, until next time, don't forget to watch last week's video up here. Don't forget to watch the playlist right here of other dreadlock style tutorials. And don't forget to click on that subscribe icon, okay? Right there. Click on it, okay? And I will see y'all next time. Peace.